Used to be known as the psychotic killer. Big Nick was the nigga you didn't wanna fuck with. Always holding on to them triggers. They was harder, legit. I'm gon' pull them every time. Dump, that's what I did, and it was fun. And I lost myself inside of trying to get everybody back for shit they ever did to me. You stepped on my toes in kindergarten, you got to see me tonight. That's evil. Vengeance is my saith the Lord. I had to learn. If a nigga come destroy, Looney, I'ma hit the bitch with a 44. But if he give me, ooh, it was my time to go, I ain't mad, don't get sad. Don't be glad, just be happy, God alive in the name of Jesus. That's a fact, y'all don't understand, and y'all don't know. You listen to 2 Chainz all day and night, so ho. Lunatic is funky, but I just washed my ass, took a shower in the paternity room with KC. In fact, Little Nick's on the way. They said you got something to do, you need to go make your way. 30 black put up, hopped on the truck, now crank the lag up. Y'all know it's been cutting off, but it cut on. Cause right to O'Reilly's 140 for a new battery. I'm charged up, wanna get this tone, bitch, charged up. And I'm releasing voltage on your brains. You catch these hollow points inside. You think I'm playing games. Bitches, niggas know who you are. If you shake, if your knees quiver and your eyes like this fucking iPhone that I'm going off on day and night, sending messages to you hoes at your home, at your whole script too, at your whole phone. Everybody know this is what going on and on and on. Lunatic is crazy, that's what they've been saying, baby. Say I'm crazy, but call me lunatic for so amazing. They say lunatic is crazy, that is so amazing. Call me lunatic. Now you say I went crazy. Who is crazy? Looney, loom, boom, boom. Told you hoes, think I'm playing against up on this side. 16 toes, I'ma choke you hoes out. Anaconda lunatic, squeeze till you die, bitch.